We've normalized things in our communities that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned us about. Things that seem harmless now, but in Allah's eyes, they're dangerous. Today, we're looking at 10 things Muslims have sadly normalized, not to judge, but to wake up, because our deen is too precious to lose to trends. Number 1, skipping Salah for work or study. We tell ourselves, I'll make it up later. But Salah has fixed times. Missing it intentionally is a grave sin. Your rizq comes from Allah, so never prioritize His provision over connecting with Him. Number 2, backbiting disguised as venting. We say, I'm just saying, or don't tell anyone. But even truthful gossip is a major sin. Allah asks, would you eat your brother's dead flesh? That's how disgusting backbiting is. Number 3, lavish weddings with no barakah. Thousands spent, mixed gatherings, loud music. But where's the blessing? The Prophet said, the marriage which produces most blessing is that which involves least burden. Simplicity brings barakah. Number 4, free mixing and flirting. Conversations slide. Casual friendships become emotional attachments. But Islam honors boundaries. Lowering the gaze isn't old-fashioned. It's protection for your heart and your faith. Number 5, mocking those who practice deen. Too Islamic, overacting, extreme. But mocking religious practices is mocking the one who sent them. The Sunnah is to be respected, not ridiculed. Number 6, joking excessively about deen. Making light of hijab, Jannah, or the Day of Judgment might seem like just jokes, but Allah asked directly, was it at Allah, His verses, and His messenger that you were mocking? That's not funny, it's dangerous. Number 7, zodiac signs and manifesting culture. I'm a Leo, Mercury is in retrograde, manifesting good vibes. These aren't harmless trends, they originate from shirk. The Prophet warned, whoever consults a soothsayer has disbelieved. Your future is in Allah's hands, not the stars. Number 8, following influencers blindly. We dress like them, speak like them, forget who we should really follow. Trends change, but the Prophet is the eternal example. Who are you really following? Number 9, posting sins publicly. From inappropriate pictures to profanity, sins are now broadcasted like achievements. The Prophet said those who sin privately are better off than those who expose themselves. Allah covers sins, why don't we? Number 10, neglecting the Quran. We finish Netflix shows but struggle to finish one juz. The Quran has become decorative, not transformative. On Judgment Day, the Prophet will say, my people have abandoned this Quran. Let that not be us. Islam came to purify hearts, not to be redefined by trends. Normalize what the Prophet taught, not what the world promotes. Let's reflect, let's return, let's make dua. Allahumma thabbit qalbi ala dinik. O Allah, keep my heart firm upon your religion. Which of these 10 hit closest to home? Comment honestly, this is between you and Allah, and share this video. Someone in your circle needs to hear this wake-up call before it's too late.